Hot or cold, you never want a beverage that's the wrong temperature. That's why the Dometic Drinkware line offers plenty of options to keep your drink just right. With so many options, where do we start? There are cups, tumblers, thermoses, and mugs. All the drinkware from Dometic is thermal insulated. This will keep your water cold and your coffee hot. They're BPA-free, leak-proof, and dishwasher safe. There are a variety of lids, tops, and handle options. The bottle sizes range from 16 ounces all the way up to 2 liters and include a vacuum-insulated lid. Tumblers offer 10 and 20 ounce options and a wine tumbler as well. There are 2 cup options, a camp-style mug and a coffee-style mug. Whether you're at the campsite, on the trail, or just hanging out in the backyard, Dometic has the vessel for you. If you're interested in purchasing any of the Dometic drinkware, visit your local Dometic retailer. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.